Yeah. Hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name should remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Rando Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and novel platform. Here we always talk about how to make money online, how to cash out through your mobile money, and how to start your own online business. Yeah, so today I'm not all that feeling well, but because of the love I have for you people, that is why I'm doing today's episode. So today's episode is like we want to what to buy USDT at a lower price and sell it at a higher price within a minute. So let's say we are starting with only 11 cities. So we will buy USDT at a lower rate and we will sell it at the higher rate and make a profit within a minute. Yeah. So if you have already followed my tutorial for a past week, you have a little fair knowledge about what I'm about to teach today. Yeah. So it's not all that different from other episodes, but I have some little secrets about this video. So I'll advise you to watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you know this advice and this secret and all this trick. Yeah. So today I know a lot of people don't have enough of money to start this thing, so I want to show you that okay, if you even start with a smaller amount, you'll still make profits. So that will even ginger you what to invest a lot of money in this thing. And one thing about arbitrage is like you will get your money within a minute. Is that a thing? And you can do your market anytime, any day, any minute, any hour you want. That is you. So you can spend all your time on it. So first of all, today we'll be using as usual like calculator, Pax4 and WhatsApp. Pax4 and Eversen. Sorry, and Eversen. I'm not feeling well, so forgive me, right? And Everson. So let me open my Everson account. Let me enter my number. Yeah. So we are about to start our arbitrage. So today we are not doing currency, we are doing cryptocurrency right now. So I'll click on the more. I'll click on the more and click on stable coin. Yeah. So I'll click on invest. So right now, the USDT value on the market is what 11.65, and the USDC value on the market is 11.64. So we are doing with what USDT. So let me click on the USDT. So this is how the USDT looks like. Yeah, so it means that if you can buy one USDT, you have to spend what 11.65 Ghana cedis so that you can get what one USDT. So this is how we were doing it. We will click on what convert. So we click on what on convert and we click on buy first. So right now, everything have changed like their policy because like they have seen that right now people are making a lot of money. So right now when you are buying USDT on Eversend, the rate is a little higher than when you are selling it. So you check, you see it because like right now a lot of people like us are making money over here, so they have changed their policy. So you see, if I'm selling it that one day, the rate is low, but if I'm buying it right now, the rate is what is higher. Yeah, but still, we will still get profit from it. So this is how we do it right now. So we click on what convert, and you click on buy. So as I've already told you, we are spending only, let's say, 12 cedis on it. So if I said 12 cedis, 12 cedis, that means I have what, only one USDT. So let's assume I'm investing only like 12 cedis. Yeah. So if I invest 12 cedis, that means I can buy only what, one USDT, because one USDT is equal to what, 12 cedi on the markets. So this is the simple way you can make your profits from it, and what, and and increase your capital, or the money you want to invest. Yeah, because I'm sure that if you make money, you will not withdraw your profit, you invest in it. Yeah. So let's assume I have $1 right now. I have one USDT right now. So I'll go to Paxful. So I'll go to Paxful and click on what, markets, and click on sell USDT. Yeah. So that's so I was teaching you about something, and lots of people were getting me wrong. The trusted offers only are people who has a lot of what, trusted, like let me say trusted background. You see, let's say if you have a lot of people, let's say 1,000 plus trusting you, that means you are a trusted person. So if I click on here, you see that only people who has 2,000 plus, 6,000 plus, is that thing. Yeah, that's it. And if I click on this thing, it will go. You see, this person, the first person, who's your highness, the person has 6,333, 6,333, but he is not on the trusted list. That doesn't mean that he is a scammer. Because like, yo, he has made a trade with almost 10,000 people. Is right then. Yeah. So at times it's better, it's a business, so it's better to take risk. Yeah. So when you buy your USDT for, let's say, 12 cedis, you have to make sure that you are selling to a person who will buy it from 17 cedis going, so that you get what, your profit. Don't sell it to a person who will buy it. So I will always advise you to start with with like, let's say, a small investment, so that like if we start with some small investment, the person you start with, you can have some trust issue with that person, right? So let's say if you start with something like this and you sell to, let's say, this person, the serious person, and everything runs through well, next time you are doing the trade with that person, you will not feel that that person can fraud you. Is that thing? Yeah. So okay, so like, let me do it with this person. This person is on Eversend. So I'll click on it, and this person is online. And one two is like, if you're doing it, do with someone who's online. So this is what we are doing. Let me explain everything to you one by one, because people don't understand everything over here. So the trade time limit is what? It's, let's say, if you jump straight to a trade with this person within 30 minutes, everything will be what, will be successful. And the average trade speed is like, it's new. That means this person is not all that old on Paxful, it's new person. And sell limit is like, the person is right, ready to what, to buy USD from 2,000 plus going, 1,000 Ghana cedis plus going. Yeah. And the offer term is instant reflect. Instant reflect is like, the person will get, like you send the money, you send your USDT when the money reflects in your account. So it's instant reflect. It's like the person's always online. So when it reflects, then you will do it within 30 minutes time, or the person can report you for your account to be blocked. Yeah. That's how it is. So you have to read everything first, and you can click on an about. So the about, you like you can see everything. Trusted by 30 people, blocked by one person. That means he has done a trade with someone that it didn't go through well, and the person has what blocked him. You see that thing? Yeah. And the user speaks English, so you can see. And the person joined it for 2 years, 2 years now. Yeah. So you can read everything over here. Yeah. So this person is ready to release, to, like, let's say, to buy USDT from 2000 plus. So it means that you can't be in a trade with this person. But for the tutorial sake, I can't search for everything. So let's do it straight. Yeah. So let's say I will do it like I spent what I have 1 USD. So let me say 12 cedis. If I want to receive 12 cedis, that means I'll get 0.2. So let me see 20 something cedis, 25 cedis, 20 cedis, 22, 22, 22, 3 cedis, better, 24 cedis, better. Yeah. So I want to receive 22 cedis from this person. That means if I'm receiving 22 cedis from this person, I'm ready to what? To also send 1.0 USDT to this person. And remember, I spent 12 cedis on this USDT. So when before you sell everything to this person, you have to do calculation first to see that whether you're not running as lost. So it will be like 22 minus 12. So that means I'm making 10 cedis from any trade. So if I do this trade with this person, that means I'm making an extra 10 cedis. So imagine I do this thing 10 times with this person. I'm making 100 cedis with just 12 cedis investment. Remember, I invested only 12 cedis. So if I'm about to like do this thing, and one thing about this is like, if you make your first profit, please don't withdraw the money. Don't withdraw your money. Invest the money. Invest the money so that you can multiply your profits. Don't withdraw the money. Invest the money so that you can multiply your profits. So that's how you can make your money a minute, because this thing, the trade limit is 30 minutes. So 30 minutes, within 30 minutes, the trade will be done. So after that, after doing it with that person, then you invest in everything again. So let's say when I do with this person, I'll get 22 cities. So next time I'm not buying only one USDT. I have to double it, because right now I have 22 cities. I hope you understand it. Don't, like, when you make profits as a small investor, don't withdraw the profits. Invest the profits so that your your final profit will be increased. So let me show you something. So you see, so right now I sold the thing to the person 22 cedis. So 22 cedis, yeah, 22 cedis. So I'll go here again. So this time around, I'm not buying 180, 22 cedis. 22 cedis. I'll get one. I'll get 1.83. 1.83. So 1.83. That means, so let's say I have 1.83. So watch it very well. So 1.83. When I have 1.83, and I spent 22 cedis on it. So watch the profits I'll be making right now. So so I spent for 22 cedis. So 22 cedis. I'll get 1.0. So 30. Okay, so 40. So 38. 1.83 now. 29. Better. So so if I want to receive 39 cedis from this person, that means I'm ready to 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 send 1.83 USDT to this buyer. So that means I'm making extra profit from it. So Before you have to release the money, go to calculator and calculate and see whether you are making profit or not. Yeah, 39 minus 22 cities. So right now, I've doubled my profits. Right now, I'm taking home what 17 cities. So as a small investor, don't withdraw it. Use that money and go to Eversend and double your USDT. It's that thing, and you can even wait. Maybe tomorrow their rate will increase or decrease, and you cannot sell or buy it. This is small advice to you people. As a small investor on stable coins, don't withdraw your profits. Invest in your profits so that your final income will be multiplied. People will say, oh, nah, I'm scared. So when they invested, let's say 10 cents or 100 cedis, then they will draw their profits. No, you cannot make enough money. Business is risk. So you have to what? Right now, you have to what? Invest a lot. So let's say if you invest 100 cedis, make the profit you make, add to your profit and buy a lot of USDT and go and sell it. And you'll see that your profit will be multiplied. Yeah, so that's a small advice I have to give to you, and I hope it will help you in your arbitrage program. Thank you. I'm out.